Welcome back to another crypto video. Hello everyone, thank you for jumping back into another video. Today we can look at Phantom and we can look at some key on-chain data to help us understand why Phantom is probably the best layer one, smart contract kind of token that you would want to invest in right now, in contrast to, even though they have strong potential, things like Solana and Matic. And it's all because of the total value locked. I mean, if we look at Ethereum over the all time, as we can see from over here in 2020, we can see the total value locked in Ethereum is a really big. This is the gross value, of course, $160 billion. And for Solana, it's slightly less. If we just quickly take this out, we can see over there it's 11 billion. And for the two others, which I believe is Polygon and Phantom combined, we're sitting at 10.5 billion. Now, if we look at this tweet here, what's really interesting is Phantom has actually just taken over Polygon Matic in terms of its total value locked. And when you look at the market capital of, Phantom, it's 5.9 bill. When you look at Matic, you can see it's actually 20 billion. So there's a big gap between Phantom and Matic, but the total value locked is actually higher now in Phantom, even though the market cap is literally 25% of Polygon. So I hope that kind of makes sense in what I'm saying. The total value locked is going up, but the market cap is not effectively as high as Polygon. So there's a big gap there in terms of its market cap. It's still a med cap. It's like a medium cap. It's not a large cap. It's not a huge massive macro cap, but it does reflect big opportunity, especially when you look at the total value locked. And it's really interesting to see some of these charts here. Very good website. Check out this website if you want to look at the TVL for lots of different projects. But that really stood out to me. Of course, Ethereum is still king, but I do think we're going to see Phantom climb the ranks higher, and it's still not listed on Coinbase and other things like that. So it's really great to see that kind of news. Do check out this website if you want to see a bit more, and do subscribe to the channel if you also want to have a look at what other content we look at. So we're looking at many different altcoins, mainly just altcoins and the potential. And today we're looking at Phantom, and we looked at it a few days ago, and we were saying that if Phantom does break out of this resistance here, we are going to see a nice pump to the upside, and we came up to $2.41. Now on the 4-hour time frame, we can see a bit of a drop off in the volume over there, and what I'm anticipating is perhaps a bit of a head and shoulders playing out. Are we rolling over? It does kind of look like we're rolling over here. You can see these higher highs have just become lower, and it is possible that we'll come down and retest this $2.02 as a support, maybe come back up, maybe even come back down more to like 170, and then we see that blast to the upside. I mean, it is just, of course, a speculation. We could just invalidate this completely. I know you bulls think something even more crazy is going to happen, like we're just going to shoot straight to $4 or $5, and I do think it's very possible with a 6 billion market cap, we can double the price of this very easily. So what we did have on the 4-hour time frame in the other video, which I was talking about, is that we do have that bearish divergence that we should look out for. We've put in a higher high on the price, but we are inputting a lower low, or a lower high, shall I say, on the RSI. So this can take a while to usually come into play. And I do think it's possible that we do create this head and shoulders pattern, either break the support or we don't break the support, and pretty much go from there. So in short, my conclusion is that we need to hold this level. Hopefully we come back down to like $2.04. Maybe we create the second shoulder over here, and then we can either bounce back up, targets 264, or we come down to 172, and then we make that impulse to the upside one more time. But zooming out, it just looks like another really solid area to accumulate more, especially on that weekly time frame. Impulse, retrace. Now we're getting that impulse. Maybe retrace a little bit, and then we see that big boom to the upside, guys. I think $5 is coming Q1 2022. Mark my words. So that's what I think is going to happen. Phantom's looking really strong, rank 37, $2.36, 6 billion market cap. Now, if you did like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure you join the Discord channel. You can see that in the description below, and then we will go from there, guys. So see you in the next video.